we move into pandas, one of the most important libraries in Python's data science ecosystem. To understand how pandas reads a CSV file into a data frame. This is because you can't analyze anything in Python until your data is inside a data frame. So let's take a real CSV file and get it working in seconds. So this is our CSV file, just rows and columns of data. Let's load it into pandas. So what just happened here is pandas converted our CSV into a data frame, basically a table you can now query and manipulate. This shows a small preview of the data set. We can visually confirm that it loaded correctly. So like this is the small preview of the data set with all the columns and the rows. There are 5 rows, you can see 0 to 4. Now this is a quick sanity check. Then df dot head is done. Df dot shape tells us how many rows and columns we are working with. A quick sanity check, 5 rows and 5 columns. And then comes df dot columns. As you can see, it shows the structure of the data set, which we will rely on later when filtering and selecting data. And then comes df dot dt types or d types. We can see how pandas has interpreted each column, especially which columns are numeric and which are text. Okay, so this is object, this is string, and this is numeric. Okay, and finally comes the df.describe, which gives the statistical summary of the numeric columns, including averages, ranges, and distribution information. So count, mean, standard deviation, and minimum, and then first quartile, second quartile, and third quartile, 25%, 50%, and 75%. Why pandas in data science? So pandas is built specifically for structured tabular data and has become the industry standard for data analysis in Python. It allows us to work with data at a much higher level of abstraction. So what is data frame? At the core of pandas is the data frame. A data frame is a two-dimensional tabular data structure with named columns. Now, if you come from a .NET background, you can think of it as similar to a data table or a SQL query result, but far more flexible. So once the data is loaded, the first thing we should do is inspect it. We typically start by previewing a few rows, checking the size of the data set, and confirming column names. This step helps us verify that data was read correctly before doing any analysis. Another important inspection step is checking data types. Pandas automatically infers the type of each column, such as numbers or text. This matters because data types directly affect what operations we can perform later, especially calculations and aggregations. So why pandas beat manual parsing? Compared to manually reading and parsing CSV files, pandas remove a lot of boilerplate code. It allows us to focus on understanding the data rather than worrying about file handling details. This is one of the key reasons pandas is so widely used in data science.